Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Do you want to speak English at home with your family? Today I will teach you simple and useful English sentence for daily family conversations. So ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Basic family sentence. How are you? What are you doing? Did you eat? Where are you going? Come here. Sit down. Listen to me. Repeat after me slowly. Part 2. Daily use at home. Let's eat together. Help me with this. Don't worry. I will call you later. Wait for me. Finish your work. Again repeat this sentence. Part 3. Real life conversation. How are you? I am fine. Did you eat? Yes, I ate. What are you doing? I am studying. Where are you going? I am going outside. Now repeat this full conversation. Part 4. Practice time. Now you try to speak. I am fine. I am studying. I will call you later. Practice this sentence every day and speak with your family. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.